Typos. They happen to me all the time, especially on 17-digit VIN numbers. So what do you do when you found a typo on your stamp Schedule 1 in the VIN number? Good news. It's easy to e-file an amendment and get a corrected stamp Schedule 1 back from the IRS right away. Better news, it's completely free. You're not going to pay any more taxes, and 2290 Tax does not charge to e-file these amendments. So how do you do this? It's really simple. We're going to come straight into e-file, and we're going to choose to e-file online now and start your online return. You're going to fill in the blanks on step 1 as usual, and when you get to the section titled Amendments, you're going to say yes. Your reason is a VIN correction. It's that simple. Just say yes, this is an amendment, and the reason is a VIN correction. Then down at the bottom, you can save and continue. Now here, as the red text says, I'm going to enter only the VIN or VINs that you are correcting, not any other trucks. So if I've got 5 trucks in my fleet and only one of them needs to be corrected, I'm only going to enter that one VIN that needs correction. This is supposed to be an 8 instead of an H. Happens all the time. Select my vehicle weight and save and continue. Now down here on step 3, under this bar titled VIN Correction, the IRS wants to know what VIN they are fixing. What are they correcting? So we've pulled forward the correct VIN for you. You can see it's got that 8 instead of the H. And I'm just going to copy and paste that VIN over and switch the 8 for the H. And that way the IRS knows what I did wrong, what they're fixing. Now there's 2 reasons this might happen. One is a keying error, which is a simple typo. I got an H instead of an 8. The other is if you reported a completely wrong VIN. Now be careful. The IRS expects a VIN correction to be a difference of 3 characters or fewer. So if you're going to say that you reported entirely the wrong VIN, you should definitely attach some proof to back up your statement. Maybe a title or a bill of sale for the vehicle that you reported that you no longer own anymore. Something to back up your claim that it really is a VIN correction and not a completely different vehicle. Because the IRS does often check these. They'll send you a notice in the mail if they don't think they have what they need or if they don't think it's truly a VIN correction. And it can be a bummer to get that cleaned up after the fact. So choose your reason carefully, attach some documentation if you need to, and then click Save and Continue. Now here, my favorite part, your taxes are previously paid. No additional taxes are due right now. What we're asking the IRS to do with this amendment is basically move your taxes from the incorrect VIN number that you already reported over to the correct VIN number that you should have reported. So there's no payment information collected here for the IRS. Then you'll review the tax return. Check these 2 checkboxes, and you're almost done. I'm going to email you the stamp Schedule 1 no matter what, so you're going to get that usually the same business day. But if you'd like somebody else other than yourself to get a copy of that correction, say yes. You can fill in up to 3 different email addresses and a fax number. A lot of people will have us fax it straight to the tag office where they're waiting for it. Then check this checkbox, and you can approve and continue. Now you'll see here on step 6, there's no credit card information. This is normally where we would charge your credit card, but there is no charge for VIN corrections, even if you didn't do the original on my site. So once you're happy with everything, you're just going to go ahead and submit the return. If you have any questions while you're filing your VIN correction, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 909-596-0050, or you can call us toll free at 888-802-4299.